Hey guys, so yesterday I pretty much finished with designing the flow for the new SDK, and today I'm building the Gantt for the tasks to be able to estimate how much time the project will demand. So I'm waiting on the team to give me estimations for each of their tasks, and I will add just a few more tasks and then connect it all to a single Gantt plan and share it amongst us. That's it. Let's hear from the team.
So yesterday I finished doing the script that spins random service providers and consumers and check the throughput of the network. And today I'm building the cluster of Kafka and Cassandra on the AWS to see how it performs in the live cluster. And that's it for me.
Hey Davers, so yesterday I continued to change the design according to the flow chains that we made. We talked about the future problems that we might face about this design, so we keep to change the design, and today I need to estimate the whole work I need to do, the implementation and the design.
Hey, so yesterday we had a conference call with the Australian delivery company. We're thinking how to tailor a solution here at DAV, and also had a product meeting with Noam and Tal regarding the decentralized ride-hailing app. So working on these two today, and also meeting with Shachar regarding the autonomous boat that Tal is heading San Francisco now to meet with Cal Maritime. So we're planning this new software for the autonomous boat, see what changes needed to be done there. This is it.
Yesterday we talked about the interface for the SDK, and today we'll get more into details, and hopefully we'll start to implement it soon.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I started the process of reaching out to individual contributors as part of our steps towards regulatory compliance. Today I'll be mostly taking care of follow-up communications and supporting people through the process. See you tomorrow.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I started the day with a follow-up with Joe about some materials he asked me to prepare for him. After that I filmed the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I edited the DailyDAV, and right now I'm working on EcoMotion and Connect event. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday main focus was primarily around regulatory communication, engagement across our community, working with Amazix and whatnot on that front as well. Today also a little bit of that, and then also continuing to set up meetings with our CTO as he's going to be in town these next few days. Looking forward to having lunch with him and meeting with him, and then also working on some Alliance copy, and also we're now going to be becoming a member and signing on to an Accord, which there'll be more news coming on that with a few great brands. Stay tuned everybody, have a great day.
Hi everyone. In Ukraine rained again and they start my creative work with nice move. Yesterday I make a little bit change in our beautiful homepage. Today I continue change in presentations for great partners. I'll improve some elements, correct the color gammas, etc.